I'm Øystein Lode in Sortland, 2019. I'm going to focus on the problem of getting the wheels on. For example, this is Audi. It's difficult to get it centered. So the typical thing is that it will stay out of orientation. And also how to align the wheel. So I modified a plastic strip, bend it like this, and then align it before I take on the wheel. Put it in like this, and then the wheel can be entered through this. So what I actually do is I take a strip like this, I cut it off, with this. So I've tried with two. 1, 2. I orient this the other way. I think I put it here so that they will stiffen different ways. This horizontal, this vertical, and this will make it much more easy to get on the wheel in the right way. So here comes the wheel. Now, normally people will lose the view of how to enter it, but the way this, I can easily see that this is entering. So this kind of will guide the wheel into the right direction. It will be guided here and there. So now it's much more easy to find the holes, and it will be successful.